So as you guys know, I own buy-to-let properties across the UK, as well as a portfolio of stocks and shares investments. I do both, so I've got first-hand experience across both of these areas of investing. And there are many different areas of investing that you can choose to invest in, but I specifically chose these two because I understand them. Why is this important? I'll start by giving you a real-life example of a time where I invested in an asset, it's mad, that I didn't understand and how that worked out for me. And let's rewind back to November 2017. That was the first time I ever heard the word Bitcoin. And a lot of you may have heard the word Bitcoin over the last few months because it's been resurrected as a go-to asset. Back then in 2017, I had no idea what it was or how it worked. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, altcoins, they're all just an alien language to me, guys. But I knew people were legit making life-changing amounts of money because the market had literally gone parabolic into exponential growth. It was reaching levels that had never been seen before prior to that time. People were piling money into it. And some of you might even remember back then, it was all over the news. I mean, mainstream, BBC, Sky News, the papers, the internet, governments, people at work, everybody was talking about it. YouTubers were starting Bitcoin channels and growing to like over 100k subs in under 6 months. It was crazy. I remember it so vividly, and I got caught up in the hype, guys. I can't lie. Truth be told, I got gassed up, and I invested thousands of pounds when I saw that the price was at its literal peak in December 2017. I like to be 100% transparent with you guys with my losses as well as my wins. So this was one of my losses. That was December 2017. By February 2018, the price of Bitcoin had crashed by half. It never got back to that November 2017 peak for another 3 years, guys. 3 years until December 2020 when it went past that. And I'm completely honest with you guys, I lost my nerve. I sold all my Bitcoin around summer 2019. I was like, this is it for Bitcoin. It's not coming back again. It's been down for 2 years now. So I sold everything and I lost about 40% of my original investment, 40%, which worked out to be thousands of pounds lost. That was the price that I paid for not understanding what I was investing in. So learn through my mistakes, guys. Learn through my mistakes. This is exactly what YouTube University is for. Only invest in what you understand, guys. What's up, guys? It's your urban educator Warren Goslin back with another financial wealth building video. If you'd like to show your support for this channel, please do so by hitting the like button and subscribing. That really helps. And recommend this video to somebody else on their wealth building journey. Appreciate the continued love and support from you guys. Peace.